Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add echo effect on Filmora application. Adding an echo effect to your audio in the Filmora app is a super easy process. First of all, tap open the Filmora application from your app drawer to get started. Tap on New Project button to start up a new project or open up an existing one. Choose the video or audio file you want to edit by simply tapping on them and tap on Import at the bottom right. Once you import the video clip or the audio file to your timeline, go ahead and select it from the middle of the screen and then go to the Extract Audio option at the bottom and tap on it. You will then be able to see that the video's soundtrack has now been shown in the timeline right underneath, and once you do that, tap on the soundtrack and then click on the voice effect button at the bottom. From the voice effect, go ahead and find the echo effect or the reverb effect depending on the version of the application. Once you find the echo effect or the reverb effect, tap on it and you will be able to apply and add echo effect on Filmora. Simply export your video like you normally do, and that's it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.